Okay. In the previous session, I have explained how I have created the thread. I have created the thread by implements keyword. By implements keyword by using a runnable interface. Runnable interface, as I told you that interface, it will be used to get 100% abstraction. Okay. Interface is pure abstract class. It has abstract method without any body. Only the method will be declared, but there is no any body. That body will be given by the implemented class. Here class is what? Implemented class is hello. So hello will provide the body. So here body I have provided within the run method. Under the run method I have written this statement for loop to print hello statement 5 times. Okay. Here for loop I is what? I is a counter. It is initial value set to 0. Condition until I less than equal to 5, loop will rotates. Loop iterates through this hello string. Okay. So initially I is equal to 0, then I less than equal to 5. So condition is satisfied. Then I incremented means 1. Now I less than equal to 5. So hello printed. Now I becomes what? 1. 1 is less than equal to 5. So I incremented 2. Now condition is satisfied. Hello printed. Now I 2. So 2 is less than equal to 5. Okay. I incremented 3. So hello printed. So whenever I equal to 6, so 6 is not equal to 5 and 6 is greater than 5. So the loop condition is not satisfied. The loop terminates. So 5 times the loop will be, see, the loop will be how many times? Loop 5 times. Okay, 5 times of loop. Okay. Now what I did here, after that, here I have written somewhat code which is related with thread class. Once thread is created, how to check back that whether my thread is created? By checking of some methods which are belonging to our thread class. Thread class methods get ID method. Okay, it gives the ID of the thread. What is the ID of the thread here? 8. This is the ID of the thread. And one more method, get name. This is the method of your thread class. So it provides the name of the thread. Thread is equal to 0. So if 3 threads are created, thread in first thread will be the name of thread 0. Second thread, name of thread 1, like that. So whether we can check that whether the thread is executed or it stops. Okay. So by is alive method of thread class, is alive method used to check back that whether the thread is active, means running or stopped. If it is running, so boolean value, we will get the boolean value true. Okay. These are the methods, simply nothing but this is what string type of data kept to get the string type of data just in front of this values. Okay. Plus symbol used here for concatenation the string data with these values, whatever the values we will achieve by these methods of thread class. So just I have used the concatenation. Okay. So this is the way to create the threads in Java. And as I told you, that thread class has many methods. Here see, one method, that is run method, one method start method we have used it. This is the method of a thread class. Here start method, it implicitly calls this run method. Implicitly means what? Without fail, without any doubt, surely this start method calls the run method of this implemented class. Okay. This run method is providing the body for whom runnable interface. Our interface name is runnable. That runnable interface that is part of abstraction. So that interface, it has a method, abstract method, but it doesn't have a body. Body means what? After the run method, whatever the instructions we will write, they are called the body. But this is the method. Okay, this is method. These are these lines whatever I have written, these are called body of that method. So actually what happened for this runnable interface, that is what it is used for full abstraction, 100% abstraction. So interface is what? Runnable interface, that is a abstract class, but that has a method, abstract method named run, but it has no any that method has no any body. That body will be given, provided by only this hello implemented class. So body I have provided, that is a loop. That loop is what? To print this hello statement, string type of data, until this condition, until this I is equal to 5 less than 5, until this condition is not satisfied, loop iterate means travel, rotates. Iterate mean loop rotates, and again this printout statement will be printed. So after that, I told you that what the class created, for that class I have created the object. Why? Because interface class, runnable class, can't be used for creation of the object. That is the problem. Interface never be used to create the object. That's why we need to create the object for the implemented class. So that's why I have created the object for that implemented class. Syntax, as I told you, that to create the object for the implemented class name, then object name can be anything. Okay, is equal to new keyword, that is very compulsory, and after the class name again with the parenthesis means brackets. Okay, brackets. So this is called constructor. As I told you, that constructor always, whenever the object is created, constructor will be created along with the this class. Okay, suppose now this as I told you, that this constructor updates the value of this variable x. Okay, first of all, initially this value is 0. So let us see what is the value of this. You paste, so you put here value of x, value of x, separators, put some separators, then after plus object plus object dot x. Object dot you accept this one, simply put plus here, okay, remove this is equal to, okay, there you keep this plus. Okay, now what happened, you will get the initial value of this index. What is the initial value? That is 0. So let us compile this code. Syntax error. Why syntax error? No, syntax error in where? Java 18th line. 80th line, okay, but here it is the system.out.println value x plus object dot x, obj your. Okay, so you need to remove this one, t dot x.